What's up guys, it's બ્લેકમી and today we will be watching dumb TikToks on TikTok. I re-downloaded the app just so I can do this, so I hope it's good because I don't like having the app on my phone. I'm gonna try to view the most recent ones and hopefully we'll watch some good ones.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
See, the other day I drew a bunny and Sam and Freddie...
You drew a bunny?
Yeah, kinda.
Well, show me.
I don't want to.
Come on, show me your bunny.
Okay.
I mean, to be honest, the bunny's not that bad. Like, the line work on it is nice. Like, I thought it was just like something maybe she drew up or something. I did not know it was gonna be from iCarly.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Sean. Yeah, dude.
Does it just say dude? Does it literally just say dude? I cannot even tell what it says.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Alright, we got the FU right there and the CK right there.
Calvin Klein?
Bestie tats.
That's kind of crazy though.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Well, I got a matching tattoo with my best friend. So I drew this in physics when I was at Arizona State, and it's a B and a cursive T for boobs and twat, established 2001, because his nickname was Boobs and mine was Twat. He has man boobs, and I was always with him, so they call me Twat.
No, it's not.
What do you mean?
It's because you were one.
What the hell, bro? They weren't supposed to know that.
Well, they do now.
Ridiculous. Fine. But
To be honest, his titties aren't that big. I don't think he has like enough titties to like be like boobs.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Ooh. Okay, so my time to shine. So my narcissistic ex demanded we get matching couples tattooed. So you know what? I was like, whatever. But I get to pick it. I don't believe in couples tattoos. I have zero fucking regrets about mine, but this is what we got.
I couldn't even see that. It happened so fast. Okay, so apparently it's a cucumber coming, but it's spelled cumber.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
So this one time I walked into a tattoo studio before I became a tattoo artist, and I asked if they were accepting walk-ins, to which they were. And I had no idea what I wanted, and the lady at the front, she asked me what I wanted, and I said that I didn't know. So next thing you know, she asked what I love the most, and I told her right in her face that I loved eating ass. So I ended up with this tattoo in my mouth that says "sit here" to symbolize my love for eating ass.
If I had a shop and he walked in and didn't know what he wanted, I would probably just show him Flash. Like, I don't know why they had to resort to a lip tattoo.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten? I'll win this. I'm in the Navy, first.
I'm gonna win this hands down. I have an entire lawnmower crew on my fucking stomach. Little dude's weed whacking, he's digging a hole, he's drinking a beer. And we got a little leaf blower and just a little push mower. Oh, and he's cutting down a tree. Yep. Pretty young, pretty dumb, but it's still pretty funny.
What possesses a man to get that? Like, what? How did he come to that conclusion?
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Okay, so I want to preface this by saying I love this tattoo and I don't regret it. And I don't think it's dumb, I think it's awesome. But I do have a tattoo of Mike the Situation crying with his neck brace on.
I think that's cool and that was really well done.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Alright, I officially win. I have a thumbs up tattoo, and the reason why I have this tattoo is I met a guy in college, and we knew each other for about a week before we got these matching tattoos, mind you. So I went over to his place, and I told him I had my titties pierced, and he was like, sweet, let me see. So I was like, okay, here you go. And you know, I lifted up my shirt and he gave me 2 thumbs ups. That's all he did. And after that, we laughed about it and we got matching tattoos. So Daniel, if you're seeing this, I still hope you have your tattoo because I still definitely have mine.
I think thumbsing up titties is a valid response.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
So embarrassing. One of my friends, way back in the day, decides it'd be a really amazing idea to get the middle part of the Korean flag on our shoulder. Keep in mind, the person that gave us the tattoo is also Korean. We wake up the next day and realize it's upside down. So we had to come up with a really clever reason why we decided to do this. And we both came to the conclusion that we'll tell our friends that we did this because we can do this.
I mean, to be honest, I kind of just thought it was the Pepsi symbol. I had no idea. I would have just been like, I got it because I love Pepsi.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten? I'll win this. I'm in the Navy, first.
That's Mr. Potato Head. Those are dudes kissing. SpongeBob guy, Doodle Bob. My social security. That. Fuck.
I really love the 괡ᴜ tattoo. This is the leg of someone who just bought a machine off Amazon and is practicing.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Oh my god, I've seen this one. He probably got it like a long time ago because it's so faded. Like, feet tattoos don't hold up that long. It looks like he's had it like a very long time.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten? I'll win this. I'm in the Navy, first.
Pretty sure I got this one. So I was in the Army in Colorado, and I had a buddy that wanted to be a tattoo artist, and he had a tattoo gun and all this stuff, and he wanted to practice on people. So I got drunk one day, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna get a deer track on my thigh. So I drew out a deer track for him. I was drunk, so it wound up looking like a goat track. Well, he did it, and after he got through doing it, he wrote the word balls up under it. So I got a deer track on my thigh that says the word balls up under it. And if this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll show it to you.
What the fuck? He should have just showed it to us. But I feel like the #1 reason people have bad tattoos is just because of the bad art. I feel like you gotta practice on your art before you want to tattoo anything you can.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
I got this one. So, 6 years ago, I decided, you know what? I can't wear my wedding ring to work, so I'll get one tattooed on my finger instead. Fucking dumb! Fast forward 6 years, I'm going through a divorce right now because she can't stay faithful. And between child support and alimony, I can't afford to even get the motherfucker covered up. Don't do it, kids. You know, they say marriage is supposed to be forever, but guess what? Sometimes it ain't.
He was down bad when he filmed this, to be honest. He said #divorce, #single dad, #beard.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Travis, don't ask any questions, just pop the top.
Okay.
And do a little spin. Perfect.
I always wonder how artists like put stencils like that on, cause like what the fuck, like without it warping too.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
People will have tats like that and be like #tatted.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
I wonder if that is that a stick and poke? Like, I think it is. That's pretty funny.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Got loads and loads of tattoos I could use to do this video. I might do it a couple times, but the dumbest one I've got at the moment is across my neck here. It says caffeinated and it's spelled wrong. It's got 2 E's, so it says caffeinated. But now I've just got so used to it that I'm probably just never going to get it removed, so I will die with that on my neck. But
I'm British. I feel like a lot of young people get really bad neck tattoos. Like, first of all, they shouldn't even be getting neck tattoos, like, in the first place. But when they do get them, like, every young person I've seen, like, under the age of 25 who has neck tattoos, it kind of, like, sucks. Like, they just choose some weird shit.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
Y'all ever be fucking?
That is so good. That is the best one, like, that we've seen today, I think. Like, that is a quality tattoo.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
I don't want to brag, but I feel like this is made for me. I am covered in dumb tattoos. I got this because it was on the wall. It's a naked chick. I got soap in my armpit, because why not? Not only did I get a mustache tattooed on my finger, I got a mustache over top the mustache because the first mustache wasn't big enough. You probably can't tell what this is, but that's a piece of corn, and that's supposed to be turds. That's a dirty Sanchez. I have a pigeon taking a shit on my arm that says Ratbird. That's also a buddy tattoo. And the creme de resistance is, one time my friend Cabell told me that she wanted a piece of pizza. Can't really see it, but I got it tattooed right there, and it says Cabell wants a piece of pizza. Do I win or what?
I'm happy for her. She seems really cool, and I feel like all the old people with dumb tattoos just love them, and like, they're good stories. I feel like dumb tattoos usually have the best stories.
What is the dumbest tattoo that you've ever gotten?
It's not one, but it's two. I thought about it for a really long time before getting them.
Ha. Ha papa. Ha papa tagata. Ha wa wa wa. Ha.
Oh my god, I never thought someone would get that tattooed. That video is like peak, like, meme culture, but not really, but like also, that's insane. I don't think I would ever get a meme tattooed, because like, oh my god, when people were getting Baby Yoda tattoos, like, and then realistic, like, he's not gonna be there in a few years. Those are all the videos I want to watch today. Let me know if I should do this again, and thank you for watching.